Alright folks, good morning again. This is Marcel here because Amtrak train number 11, Cold Starlight. This train is headed to Los Angeles. ALC 42-314 leaves off on the Coast Starlight. It's good to see an ALC 42 leave. And 325 on the ALC 42 leading on the Coast Starlight 11. The train is slowing down because he's going to the Coast Sub. Okay, 2 coaches and a lounge car. Hello, have a safe trip. And it's pouring down raining right now. We got sleeper cars right now. Alright, that train is headed southbound to Los Angeles. Heads up to Oscar Reyes, heads up to RCM guy, I think he's in school. Heads up to David Jones, heads up to everybody. That train is coming your way with the 2 ALC 42 Chargers. I'm Marcel Hall, thank you for watching. While this train goes on the Coast Sub.